Is your Samsung Smart TV struggling to broadcast, leaving you staring at a blank screen or error messages? Don't let broadcasting woes keep you from your favorite shows. In this quick tutorial, we'll get your Samsung Smart TV back to broadcasting flawlessly. First, let's tackle potential network hiccups. Press the home button on your Samsung remote to access the main menu. Navigate to Settings, which is usually represented by a gear icon. Within Settings, select Network and then choose Open Network Settings. This is where we'll check your TV's connection. Ensure your TV is connected to your Wi-Fi or wired network. If you're using Wi-Fi, confirm you've selected the correct network name and enter the password accurately. For a wired connection, check that the Ethernet cable is securely plugged into both your TV and router. Next, tap Network Status. This will run a quick diagnostic. If it indicates an issue, try restarting your router by unplugging it for about 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. Once your router is back online, try connecting your TV again. If network issues aren't the culprit, let's ensure your TV's software is up to date. Go back to the Settings menu and scroll down to Support. Select Software Update and then Update Now. Your TV will check for the latest firmware. If an update is available, follow the on-screen prompts to install it. This can often resolve broadcasting problems by fixing underlying bugs. For viewers receiving broadcast signals through an antenna, signal strength is critical. Ensure your antenna is properly positioned and unobstructed. Check that all cable connections from the antenna to your TV are secure and undamaged. Within the Settings menu, look for Broadcasting or Channel Settings. Select Auto Tuning or Channel Scan. This process will rescan for available channels and can resolve issues caused by shifts in broadcast frequencies or new channel additions. By systematically addressing network connectivity, keeping your software updated, and ensuring optimal signal reception, you should now have your Samsung Smart TV broadcasting smoothly again, ready for you to enjoy all your favorite content without interruption.